Okay, here's the SH-60B helicopter. I completed it. As you can see, I've made some changes. The propeller, the props, the blades have been painted accordingly. Also, I don't think you can see that very well, but I redid the interior. I don't have a light that I can show. You can see I also repainted the torpedoes appropriately, as well as the Mad Bird. It's a magnetic alloy detector device. On this side, I also, you can tell, painted the sonar buoy ejectors and that torpedo as well. Very nice aircraft, very well done. Also, I had to paint the exhaust ports on each side a dark gray, and I put it together. All in all, very nice depiction of a Seahawk anti-submarine helicopter that the US Navy uses off its aircraft carriers, frigates, destroyers, etc. Also, the stand's pretty nice, I have to say. You can take it off the stand. Let's see if I can do that without breaking it. Hold on a second here. There we go. So there it is off the stand. And this little door here does operate. There we go. So that's pretty nice as well. There you have it.